Hey, welcome for this video. Today I'm gonna go over like how to add a live recording feature functionality to a Streamlit app, or if you wanted to record like to create an app that record voices. So this is kind of a screenshot of what it will look like, and I also have this code here as well as like a bonus section where you'll be able to not only record the voice but also save it into locally into your computer and have a transcription of the outputs that will be generated, as you can see here. As you can see here, yeah. So yeah, just quickly while I'm making this video, you'll be by the way, you'll be able to access this page that I'm showing you here with the codes and the bonus, like with the link in the description. Depending on when you're watching this video, it might be gone or not. But yeah, while I'm making this video, because I was basically like working on a project, and I found out like I wanted to do it with a Streamlit, and I struggled a little bit with how to add a voice recording feature to the survey I was building. So hopefully, hopefully this will be helpful if you are in the same scenario. So yeah, basically this is the code. You can kind of check it out and write it yourself if you want, or you can just grab it with the link I'm gonna put in the description, as I said, depending on when you're watching this video. And yeah, so just make sure like for this that you have the correct Streamlit version. As you can see here with my resource, you'll be able to have the a link to the official Streamlit thing. But with my code, I added some comments explaining basically a little bit what each line does. So I'm gonna try to run the code just to show you how it looks like on the Streamlit on a website, let's say online. So let me open my Visual Studio Code. So this bottom part here is the second section of the code, like the bonus section that you'll be able to access in the description. You should depending on when you're watching once again. And yeah, so the import for this one, basically you only need to import Streamlit as whatever you want as st. So and all these other imports you can kind of yeah, basically all these other imports are for like the bonus section if you want to do something more advanced, like adding the image and stuff like that. You'll be able to have it with this code here. So now let's run our code. First of all, let me save it, and then yeah, so I'm just gonna run this, and we should have an app that pops up. Perfect. As you can see here, my Streamlit app is now loading. So now for this one, we should just also only have the voice recording feature. Basically, record your audio and then play it back to yourself. And with my bonus code, you'll be able not only to do that, but to also have like add an image and save the audio locally onto your computer, and also have a transcription of whatever the user was saying using the Whisper plugin. It's taking longer than I expected now. Sorry about that. Okay, so what I did here, I had to pause it a little bit just to stop the program and run it back again, as you can see here with the terminal. So yeah, so let's try it live. Just me trying out this voice recording app, and yeah, just to show the people how it's gonna play out. So now I save it. This voice recording app, and yeah, just to show the people how it's gonna play out. Yeah, basically you can see how this one looks like. Let me show you now, like try to run now like the kind of advanced version of my code where you'll be able to add more, to customize it a little bit more. So comment, save it, and rerun. So now I think it's loading some model like the whisper one and stuff. And now we should have a kind of better looking interface, should I say. This version of mine is I think the Streamlit 1.42. So yeah, with the link you have like at the top to access the official Streamlit page for it. Just make sure like you let me show you here. Yeah, just make sure like you select the correct version that you have. You have like these versions. So I think this is the one I'm using now, but I'm not sure. Yeah, just make sure you're using the correct version. Okay, so this my app is still running, but you can see here. First of all, I have a title for an image analysis, and then I have a little test asking for instruction, asking the user what to do. So what I will have next is an image, I think, that the user will be describing using the yeah, but as you can see here, using this here. So you'll be able to record your voice. Click on it. Hey, just using showing you this one. Sorry. Yeah, I'm just recording my voice here, kind of describing this image to show the user viewers how it works. So now I'm gonna stop. So when I stop here, not only I should be able to hear myself talking, uh, but I should also be able to see like a transcription of the text, all of the audio that I just put it in. As you can see, I can play it back. Click on it. Hey, just using showing you this one. Sorry. Yeah, I'm just recording my voice here, kind of describing this image to show the user viewers how it works. So now I'm gonna stop. So the transcription is probably gonna take a little bit. As you can see here, it also says that the audio has been saved with this path here. So I also have in the code a kind of commented this thing here. Where is it? Just if you also want to input to have like the option for users. Where is it? Yeah, here. Optional, but like if you also want the user like for like text input and stuff, that's also an option. I don't think the code has the submit button, but if you want me to do something like that, like please let me know. It's still transcribing the audio. I'm gonna just pause the video so until the transcription is complete. so now we have the transcription of the text. As you can see, hey, I'm just using this, blah 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 blah. Sorry, my English is not that good, so transcription is a little bit messy. Yeah, that was it. Let me know what else you want me to post regarding this stuff, but hopefully it's useful for you. Peace out.